Hey guys, it's Brandon with Rustic Lumber Store. We are already back from Kansas City. However, we wanted to show you some of the processes that we went through to build some of the amazing things that we built for the show. One of the biggest attractions we had was the parota door that Josh built, which is what you're watching him build now. There's a lot of work that went through it, and we have some upcoming videos to test how strong this parota door truly is. This bad boy is heavy, sturdy, and isn't going anywhere. So stay tuned for that. While Josh is working on the frame in the shop, Dave is over at the sawmill getting it ready and cutting off the top layer of the door to fit inside the frame. Take a look at a new update. Josh, how's this door coming?
Oh man, it's coming.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's been the difficult part of it?
Well, the difficult part of it has been that it's all new. Never put one of these latches in before.
Oh.
So that's what I'm working on right now. That's been the biggest task so far, is just routing this in. So I got the main router hole just for the guide itself. Now I gotta go deeper wherever all these mechanisms are, and they gotta be able to move fully that way and that way. So I have to, where these pockets are now, I'm maxed out on this bit, so now I'm going to put this extension on there so that I can go deeper.
So this
Man.
So yeah, made a sill. That was a little bit of a challenge to figure out how to cut that, but got that figured out. Weather stripping.
Ooh-wee.
You know, it's like a real deal door.
It's a real deal.
Hinges.
I got the hinges.
Nice hinges in here. I've already got those mortised into the door as well, so hopefully everything goes up. It's good.
It's looking good. I'll have to put some of the footage in with it.
Oh yeah.
You might, I mean, on the top side, you might as well, because it's kind of chippy.
Yeah, right? Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at this coffee table.
This was fun too. We actually did this as a video too. We did it with the shaver on this to cut those in there. First time we ever done one of the drip slabs. So that was fun.
How's Brandy's desk coming, guys?
Oh,
Coming along great.
yeah, it turned out really good.
Oh, real pretty.
You got it all mocked up so far. The skirt just flows really nicely. This river just matches
You know
really
what
good.
actually did? That actually turned out pretty good. You know, where we capped them both ends and they actually
Yeah.
flow like they were made cut that way.
Yeah.
And they weren't.
No, this is gonna be really cool. So, and then Tim's gonna have to modify the motorized base because it doesn't fit in here freestanding. So he's gonna modify it to,
Fit right in there.
yeah, make it work the way it needs to. And then, but yeah, we got a lot to do to try to get the show or ready for the show.
Yeah, you know, we only have like a week left.
You know, we're used to the pressure.
7
Yeah.
days.
It's always like that, it seems like.
Oh wow, look at this.
Here's a little base for the cattleman's ball. My dad's gonna take this Mappa Burl piece that I made here. So originally I was gonna make this a stand-up desk,
Right.
but I'm not going to anymore. So, and it'd be more applicable for like a coffee table. So that's
Yeah.
the base Josh quick whipped up. We're gonna paint it the charcoal black.
Nice.
We got like to those two bases right there and this X base all going charcoal black. This tall walnut base is gonna be for a stand-up table, oil finish. So this is gonna be the top for that tall stand-up base. We're gonna take that to the cattleman's ball as well. It's all turning out pretty good. That door though is where it's all at, man.
Yeah, that's what Josh and I were looking at and going over.
Yeah, that door is gonna be amazing when it's done. Like that lock set that goes in here, like man, everything about it is just gonna be so nice. That high quality lock set, the handle. This is gonna be a primo door set, that's for sure.
Thanks again for watching, everyone. We've got some really neat upcoming projects that we're working on that we can't wait to share with everyone. Stay tuned, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.